the ArkLaTex on your Saturday evening. You can see today we do have a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures have warmed well into the 70s, and we will likely stay there, maybe even warm into the low 80s in a few spots before it's all said and done this afternoon. Looking ahead to tomorrow, you can see the area of low pressure developing and moving towards the ArkLaTex during the day tomorrow. Thunderstorms will develop out ahead of this cold front. Those storms will roll through the area tomorrow evening. And then we're going to be looking at conditions which will be basically drying out as we move through Sunday. So let's talk timing here with Robin Stoyota Futurecast. And you can see that moving through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see the clouds increase across the area. Tomorrow, we will see, again, that line of thunderstorms developing and approaching the northwestern edge of the area. It will slide its way eastward, arriving in Texarkana at 8 p.m., pretty much the same time for Marshall. It arrives in Shreveport pretty close to 9 o'clock, maybe a little bit later, and then moves out of the ArkLaTex here by the time we get to midnight tomorrow night. In the wake of that, we'll be left with some scattered showers, which will likely continue through much of tomorrow night. That rain will come to an end quickly Sunday morning, and we'll probably stay mostly cloudy Sunday with a little bit of sunshine mixing in with the clouds Sunday afternoon, and that decrease in clouds will likely accelerate Sunday night into Monday. Rainfall going to be another concern here. You can see the blended model shows a good solid 2 inches over the northern sections of the ArkLaTex. Rest of the ArkLaTex, pretty good chance we'll see at least an inch, although Futurecast shows even heavier totals over the north, 2 to over 3 inches possible, but lighter amounts further to the south and east. Chances are we still have a pretty good shot area-wide of seeing at least an inch of rain. It really depends on what happens Saturday afternoon. Where we see more rain Saturday afternoon ahead of that line, that's where the heaviest of the rain will likely fall. Now, as far as severe weather, the Storm Prediction Center indicating we have a marginal severe weather risk. You can see the peak wind gusts here with Futurecast, generally speaking 30 to maybe 50 miles per hour. An isolated 60 mile per hour gust will be a possibility as we go through the evening hours tomorrow evening. And then we're going to be looking at some rather windy conditions Sunday with sustained winds at a good 15 to 20 miles per hour. In the wake of this system coming through this weekend, we will see upper level ridging take hold. That's going to warm us up and keep us dry through pretty much all of next week. Next weekend, we will see another weak disturbance, give us another possibility for some showers, but we're not looking at anything as far as severe weather next weekend, the way things look right now. So that being said, your forecast looks like this for tonight. We're going to be looking at conditions across the ArkLaTex that will become mostly cloudy, not as cool tonight with lows in the mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow, expect to see a few scattered thunderstorms during the day. A line of storms will move through the area during the evening. Daytime highs tomorrow not as warm, basically in the lower 70s over most of the ArkLaTex. That includes 70 degrees in Texarkana and 72 degrees in Shreveport. 10-day forecast shows big warm up next week as highs will return to the low 80s for the middle of the week. Lows warming up into the upper 50s to low 60s. A little bit cooler late in the period as we will see another disturbance move through next weekend, giving us a slight chance of rain during the first half of the weekend.